Hello and welcome to the first episode of I Can Make This at Home. So in this video, I am making pancakes from scratch because I don't particularly care for all the ingredients that they put in store-bought pancake mix. Ingredients like soy, which has been linked to causing issues like endometriosis, fibroids, and even testicular cancer. So here I'm measuring out 1 1/3 cup of flour. But then I just realized, I could just use the blue cup 4 times because 1 1/3 is the same as 4/3. Next, the recipe calls for a teaspoon of salt. I love using pink Himalayan salt because it's not as salty as iodized, but you can use any type of salt that you prefer. And now you're going to measure 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So here I'm using turmeric because I have rheumatoid arthritis, and turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory. Just make sure you use pepper to help absorb it. And then you can add any type of seasonings that you want to add a little bit more flavor. So next is adding the wet ingredients. So I'm measuring out a cup of milk. You guys can use any type of milk you prefer. This is almond milk. I have to use dairy-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant and I'm breastfeeding. So whatever I eat affects my daughter as well, and she is lactose intolerant. And milk causes so much mucus in my body that I can't handle it. So I prefer to use dairy-free milk. So now the recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I had made this recipe 2 days prior and I forgot to add vanilla extract, and y'all, it was disgusting. So don't forget to add your vanilla extract or your almond extract, whatever, just to give it more flavor. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. The recipe called for it to be in the dry ingredients, but because we don't really use sugar in this house, I just added agave as the sweetener as a wet ingredient. So here I'm just sprinkling in a little bit of cacao powder. Like I said in the recipe before, I had made chocolate pancakes, but they were a little too chocolate and my son thought they were burnt. So I decided not to put as much cacao powder this time. So you see me add in the 1 egg. What you don't see is me adding in the 4 tablespoons of butter, and you don't see me mixing the ingredients together. And that was because I went to go tend to my daughter and I thought I had pushed pause, but it was still recording. So when I came back, I thought I had pushed record and it was paused. So you don't see me adding those ingredients in, nor do you see me mixing it. So I left the audio of her crying in the background so y'all could hear what I was going through. She was doing a lot, y'all. As soon as I was trying to make these pancakes, she woke up, she started screaming. So I would go tend to her while the pancakes was cooking, and that's why I got distracted and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So like I said before, my son loves waffles, but I forgot to buy a waffle maker, so we're just making pancakes. And when I make my pancakes, I like them to be crispy. I call them hot cakes. So I start tilting the pan so the butter can get on all sides of the pancake and fry it up and make it real crispy on the sides. So when you see the pancake mix mostly cooked through and it starts to bubble, that's when you want to go ahead and flip it. And here I just pat it down just a little bit and let it cook for like another minute just to make sure the other side is cooked all the way through. And I'm not aiming for perfection here. I'm literally just taking the bowl and scooping some out. The pancakes don't come out in perfect circles. I got too much going on in the background to try to make this perfect. So I will try to just mix it around just so it could be a little bit more circular versus it looking like a football. But yeah, no, I'm not making these a perfect circle. Y'all see those crispy edges? It was so good. So here I'm just adding a little bit of leftover bacon grease. I know it doesn't look that great, but it was just a little bit of bacon grease left over from the day before. I just wanted to add a little bit to my pancake to give it a little bit more flavor than just that butter. It's not even real butter. It's just like a whole bunch of oil. It doesn't even have like milk in it, but it doesn't give it that buttery taste. And so I was like, maybe I just want to taste like a little bit of bacon in my next pancake. So I just put a little bit of bacon grease and mix it around to try to make it circular again. And look, it's gonna have some crispy edges, y'all. This is the best. Like a little crunch of your pancake is so good. So this pan that I'm using does not stay level. I don't know why pans do this, because this has happened to me several times. So I don't know if y'all notice I'm using the butter to just like keep it steady so the grease can just go around the pancake evenly. And now it's time to eat. So here you could see that I already tasted some of the pancake. It was really good. I just had some grits, some turkey sausage, and some eggs. And that's it. Enjoy this recipe.